For months, immigrant families across the country have been waiting for an answer. Now they have one.
I think that this has just been a very large cloud over a lot of families' head and future for quite some time now, ever since the discussion about the president's executive order has taken place.
The U.S. Supreme Court rejecting the president's executive order that sought to limit who would automatically qualify for citizenship at birth. In a 5-4 vote, the highest court ruling children born in the United States are citizens regardless of their parents' immigration status. Constitutional law attorney David Cole says the legal fight centered on just a few words from a provision in the 14th Amendment.
In that sentence, they threw in a little clause at the end that said people born here, comma, and subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. And the administration's argument was that unlawful entrants into the country are not really subject to the jurisdiction of the U.S. because they're from another country.
But the court didn't agree with that interpretation.
They said the language is quite clear. We accept original understanding usually as our guiding light, and that was very clear here, and we're going to continue to follow that.
Immigration attorney Brittany Faith says a different outcome could have made an impact far beyond the courtroom.
It would have just made it so that almost everyone has to apply for some sort of status the moment they're born. And it would have been hectic. It would have been really, really hard and costly for the states to implement.
She says hospitals, counties, state agencies would have been forced to create entirely new systems to determine a child's citizenship status at birth. Democratic leaders calling the decision a victory for many reasons.
This was a very, very bright day, reaffirming the Supreme Court, its independence, its strength, and the power, and really the foresight of our forefathers of understanding the executive branch doesn't have full power.
The United States Constitution, after the Civil War, very clearly established birthright citizenship.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott disagreeing with the ruling, writing on X that birthright citizenship acts as a magnet for illegal immigration. And Senator Ted Cruz saying the decision is a travesty and will only invite further exploitation of our immigration system. He's calling on Congress to act immediately to restore the original meaning of the citizenship clause.